Welcome to Shivakumar classes. Today the topic which I am going to explain is marginal costing. This is the question asked in during 2015 Bangalore University for BCom. This question date has been modified. Now see that question. Sales 2,70,000 in the first year and 3 lakhs in the next year. Profit 6,000 in the first year and 15,000 in the next year. Only with this given information, they are asking us to calculate PV ratio, fixed cost, sales to make rupees 1 lakh profit, BEP, margin of safety at a profit of 24,000, profit earned at rupees 5 lakh sales. Yes, when these are the information, it is they asked us to calculate. All these explanations all this explanation have been given already into the previous videos, so that to make you understand, let me give the link into the description box so that you can watch that previous videos. Clear? Yes. Now coming to the very first one, point A, which we have to calculate here, it is PV ratio. PV ratio, as per this problem, it's possible to apply the change in profit divided by change in sales. Okay. Before doing of this all this problem, let me write this format once again. Sales minus variable cost, we get contribution. From the contribution we have to minus fixed cost, so that we will get the answer is profit. So this format will be always useful for this entire chapters to do that. Okay, now what is the reason I have written all these things? You will come to know that when we go for finding the fixed cost and when we go for finding the other calculations, so that now the formula for PV ratio is equals change in profit divided by change in sales. The profit of the first year is 6,000 and profit of the second year is 15,000. Therefore, 15,000 minus 6,000 is equals 9,000 divided by sales is 2,70,000 and 3 lakhs. 2,70,000 and 3 lakhs. So the change in sales, it is 30,000 into 100, it is 30%. This 30% can be written as 0.3. 30 divided by 100 is 0.3. Yes, point 1 is over. Next, coming to fixed cost, B. Fixed cost. Now the reason why I have written this format, you will come to know that the fixed cost is in between the contribution and the profit is given. So profit is given in the question. Contribution we can find with the help of the other formula. So when we add the profit and the fixed cost, definitely we will get the contribution. So therefore, fixed cost will be calculated with the help of the contribution minus profit. From the contribution, when you minus the profit, the balancing figure is going to be the fixed cost. Then how to find the contribution? For that we have one formula is given. Contribution is equals sales into PV ratio. The sales given in a problem is 3 lakhs. The sales for the current year it is given 3 lakhs. Therefore, 3 lakhs into PV ratio 0.3. 3 3s are 9. 90,000. So therefore, contribution we get 90,000 minus the profit we have with us, it is for the current year is 15,000. 90,000 minus 15,000. The balancing figure we get 75,000. This 75,000 is called as the fixed cost. Now the second answer is also over. Coming to third one, sales to make a rupees 1 lakh profit, that is desired profit. So when I want to earn 1 lakh rupees is the profit, what should be my sales? Just think it over. When a sale is 3 lakh, profit is 15,000. Definitely our sales is going to be more than 3 lakh rupees. For that, very simple to apply the BP in rupees formula we have to apply. Total fixed cost divided by PV ratio. This is the BP in rupees formula. With this, add the desired profit. Desired profit. So my desired profit, it is given in a question, it is 1 lakh rupees, and total fixed cost we calculated, it is 75,000 whole divided by 0.3 is equals 1,75,000 divided by 0.3. So you get that amount of 5,83,333. So if I do the sales for 5,83,333, I will get a profit of rupees 1 lakh rupees. Yes. Fourth one, they are asking us to calculate the BEP. So BEP formula is, it is in terms of rupees possible to apply. Total fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Total fixed cost is 75,000 divided by 0.3. You get an amount of 2,50,000. So fourth one is over. And the fifth one, they are asking us to calculate margin of safety at a profit of 24,000. If my profit is 24,000, what is the margin of safety? We have two formula, but as per this formula, what is possible? Margin of safety is equals profit divided by PV ratio. The profit they only given in a problem 24,000 divided by PV ratio. So you get an amount of 80,000. So if I want to get the profit is 24,000, my margin of safety is 80,000. What is margin of safety? The margin of safety is actual sales minus the BEP sales. Actual sales minus BP sales. That is the meaning. So fifth one is also over. And the sixth one is they are asking at profit earned at rupees 5 lakh sales. It means what? When the sales is 5 lakhs, when the sales is 5 lakhs, what is the profit? Is it possible to calculate? Yes, it is possible to calculate, because we have one formula. It is contribution is equals sales into PV ratio. If you remember that, already we calculated in this formula. You see, contribution is equal sales into PV ratio. Sales is how much it is given? 3 lakh into 0.3, we got 90,000. In the same manner, apply here. It is 5 lakhs into 0.353 is 150. So 1,50,000 is what? Contribution. With this contribution minus what? Fixed cost. Fixed cost is 75,000. 1,50,000 minus 75,000, remaining 75,000 is our profit. So when the sales is 5 lakh rupees, profit is going to be 75,000. Even one more information we can calculate, which is not asked in the question. That is also, let me say that it is variable cost also we can find. My sales is 5 lakh rupees. My sales is 5 lakh rupees. My contribution is 1,50,000 rupees. Then what is the difference between these two things? The difference between these two things, it is 3,50,000. Therefore, this 3,50,000 will be treated as the variable cost. Thank you very much for watching this video. The class which has been completed already, that link will be given into the description box. If in case of any doubt into the formulas, you can see that video once again. Thank you very much.